First, let's talk about the nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle refers to the circulation of nitrogen from the atmosphere to soil and back into the atmosphere. This cycle has 5 components, which are nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. Let's start with nitrogen fixation. We know that 78% of the atmosphere is composed of nitrogen. However, plants and algae cannot utilize atmosphere nitrogen. Therefore, it should be converted into nitrates and other compounds which is suitable for plants. So nitrogen fixation is actually the conversion of atmosphere nitrogen to nitrates and other compounds. This is called nitrogen fixation. Okay. Next, nitrogen and ammonia is converted into organic nitrogen. This organic nitrogen is transferred to animals when plants are ingested by animals. This is called nitrogen assimilation. Animals use the nutrients from plants to make proteins and other essential biomolecules. The third process is called ammonification. In this process, organic nitrogen is converted into ammonia. When animals die, fungi and bacteria helps facilitate this process. Then we have nitrification. Ammonia is converted into nitrates. Then from nitrates to nitrates. Finally, we have this process called denitrification. Nitrates are converted to molecular nitrogen. In this way, the equilibrium of the nitrogen in the atmosphere is restored. Okay, next we are gonna talk about oxygen cycle. 21% of the atmosphere is composed of oxygen. The circulation and recycling of oxygen within the biosphere is called the oxygen cycle. The majority of the oxygen in the atmosphere is from photosynthesis. During the day, plants take in carbon dioxide and use it for photosynthesis, producing oxygen as a result. We also have tiny little plants that are called phytoplankton. These plants live on the surface of the oceans, and green algae makes food through photosynthesis. So phytoplankton and green algae makes food through photosynthesis. Oxygen is released as a result. Oxygen released is used by animals and plants during respiration. Also, the fuels used in vehicles consume oxygen as well. When animals and plants die, they are decomposed by bacteria. oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is released in this process.